Hi guys, it's me again. So, it is currently, what time? Past 9 in the evening. And I'm in the mood to clean. I'm gonna do some cleaning. So, plano ko talaga this weekend maglinis ng bahay, no? So, unahin natin itong kitchen because as you can see, yung backsplash namin is mirror. And this part, it's super dirty and super oily. Look at that. So, ano na siya, blurry, no? So, I'm just gonna do some cleaning. And also, itong aking, what do you call that? Look at that. It's so dirty. I'm sorry. It's so dirty. Because I've been so busy. We both have been super busy sa work. So, medyo napabayaan na tong kusina. So, I'm just gonna do some cleaning kasi medyo na ako. Anyway, so, let's start. I have my cleaning products. Again. This one is for glass. So, for there. And then, I have this Earth Choice na multi-purpose cleaner. And then I have my wipes, Ajax wipes, and then some kitchen towel. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up. Alright guys, oh my goodness, that took me a while. Look at that. It's still not perfect, but this part, it's really hard to remove. I tried my best, but I think it's way better than earlier. I might need to still do another rub, but it's just very late in the evening now. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. And then the mirror is so clear now. It's a mirror and I can see myself. It's not blurry anymore. And then I just washed all of those from the stove. It's just I'll just let them dry for a while. Then I am gonna tackle this side. So this side should be easy because it's it doesn't have that much oil. So I really like the new canister for those three thing. Only $12 from Kmart. Yeah. And then yeah, so super clean now my kitchen. I'm super happy lang. Uh, there you go. So the sponge, actually this one I have to throw it away because it's super dirty. I'm gonna get a new one tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. It's early in the morning, around 7:30, I think. So just woke up. I just made the bed, and then hubby's like downstairs doing preparing breakfast because he always does that during the weekend. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now, and just chillax for a while waiting for breakfast. I'm gonna start by watering all the plants muna. So usually kasi I water them once a week because it's winter. So it's super cold. Uh, yeah. But let's quickly, Bobby is cooking some sausages. We cut it because the sausages are big. So we cut it into two. Tapos yun yung lulutuin niya. And then he's gonna prepare egg. Yeah, scrambled egg. Kasi yun yung gusto ko. Yun. I don't like, for some reason, as much as possible, I don't like eating bread. Parang medyo, pag weekend, ayoko ng bread. Pero pag weekday, I eat like parang yung one piece ng bread. One slice of bread. Tapos I just have some bacon with it or a piece of egg with it. That's it. That's my breakfast during the weekday. But then pag weekend, gusto ko sausage lang, tapos egg. Yan, ganyan lang. Simpleng-simple. So yeah, so my plans are all good. So look at these. These are big now. Look at that. Nice, no? Malaki na sila. So I'm gonna water them. Alright, this is breakfast ready. And I'm just making coffee. So Abby's black, mine is with milk. I'm using almond milk. My fridge is disaster. I need to organize it. Bye guys, all done. We are heading out. So this is my OOTD. So this pants is from Zara, white, and then I'm just wearing sneakers today. This belt from H&M. Tapos I'm just wearing this top from Valley Girl. So with this top, actually, um, I'm wearing like a turtleneck inside as well as a warmer. Because this one, if you wear it as is, medyo itchy siya for some reason. So yeah, so ganito lang siya. Perfect. And then I am using this bag. Tapos magja-jacket na lang ako. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna wear, but yeah, we're gonna go. Going to Randall Mall. Hi guys, so we are at the Little Banban having lunch. So lunch is here. Chicken rice. So this is the Little Banban just beside the H&M dito sa may taas. Yum. Sobrang love ni husband to eh. Tapos we're having this fused tea. Yeah. Yum, yum. So, I went to Leancraft because sometimes they have some stuff for the house. So, wala ko nahanap na okay. So, I'm gonna go down and go to Daiso. Kasi mayroon akong they might have yung mga plants na small and stuff like that. So we'll see. Bought the thing from here. I'm not sure where it is. It's not green. Oh, ito yung binili ko. This one. But I can actually buy a couple. Hindi lang naman eat. Oh, this one. Maybe I should get one. Try it lang. Let's try. Hi guys, back home. So, duman lang kami ng Woolies kanina. And then, we just bought some, like yung mga kailangan namin. Snacks and all. And then, Hoy, I see bastos. Good thing you're wearing nappy. And then, we dropped by Krispy Kreme. So, just gonna get something for dessert for tonight. And then, I'll just quickly show you what we got from, or what I got from Daiso. Just quickly lang. Not much, but yeah. So, here. Alright. So, just quickly, just holding my phone. Ano ba? Alright, so this one. Gonna get this. I got this one where you can basically put the sponge yan, dun sa sink. So, because for some reason, the sponge keeps falling dun sa sink. Tapos, I bought some sponge for the kitchen. And then this one, ayan, for bottle cleaning siya. Because the other one I threw away last night. So I got one. And then another, which is for yung mga bottles na maliliit yung entryway. So ito. Yan. Cheap lang. I usually replace it like once a month, ganyan. Because we seldom use them anyway. And then I got these for my succulents. So, parang ano siya yung for the bottom. So that, if ever hindi ma-stain yung, what do you call that, yung mga table, ganyan. So, there you go. Tapos, I got this. I don't know why, but I think I'll be able to use this because I'm gonna put this somewhere. Somewhere. Sa taas siguro. Ito yung parang sa yung shower curtain na, parang, what do you call this? Adjustable siya na, what do you call that? Wait. Rod, yan. Extendable rod. Yan, maliit lang. So that's that actually. Yan lang naman yung kinuha ko. And then from H&M, actually tumingin ako kanina, I was gonna buy yung parang bigger version nito for my succulents. Kaya lang guys, $12, ito pa lang $12 na siya. And then the bigger ones, parang hindi siya nice, hindi siya yung exact, what do you call that, measurement na gusto ko. So, I just got this one na lang. So, this, I'm planning to put the salt and pepper shaker, yung para dito. Hi guys! So, just quickly walking, I see. Medyo aliw na aliw siya maglakad. There. Yan. So, yeah. Just gonna, I'll be home pag ayaw na niya mag-walk. Pag gusto niya. He's the one leading the way, so I let him. So, he's just like sniffing and then walking and all that. So, yeah. Hi guys, so it is 9 in the evening, so I'm about to remove my makeup. So I didn't do a lot of makeup anyway. I just put on my, what do you call that, the foundation, BB cream. Super oily ng lid ng ano ko, you know. But anyway, so I'm about to remove my makeup and then put on my, wash my face and then put on my skincare. So yeah, let's do that then. I changed to my sleepwear na and ready to relax, and I removed my contact lens obviously, so I'm wearing my glasses. May grado to, mataas yung grado ng mata ko. So yeah, so yung skincare ko lately, it's very simple. I only have a few products here, and I am, actually this is the one na bago because I was trying this. I'm trying to use different what do you call that, face wash. So far okay naman siya, kaya lang hindi siya nagbabubble, but it's actually, you can really feel na kine-cleanse yung skin mo kasi minsan parang sobrang, ano po, may konting hapde, pero hindi siya rough sa skin. So yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and relax na with hubby, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't